Hey guys, I got a climate control out of I think it's like 9802 Toyota 4Runner or a Toyota Tacoma as well. I'm going to show you how to replace the lights on them. So first you're just going to take those out. You're just going to pop this off. And these are the lights you're going to remove. Next we're going to take these screws out. They're just Phillips screws. I believe there are 3 or 4 of them. Okay, so right here, so that's how we get there. You just kind of have to work it. There's these 2 tabs right here, and then the tab on the side as well. So to remove these, you just turn them. This one's kind of hard to get, but just grab it like that. And if you're having problems removing these or putting them in, there are 4 screws. We're just going to take them out anyways because it's kind of hard to put these LEDs in without using a screwdriver to put it in. Okay, so I got that out. Let's get the LEDs. They are T4. Okay, so they're just T4 LEDs. So the thing about these LEDs, unlike these regular halogen lights, you have to put them in and then test them because it does matter how you put them in. So if the polarity is not right, you're going to have issues. So I have a tip that I use, flathead screwdriver. Put it in first, and then I just turn it until this piece is flat with these 2 lines. Okay, so that's how you do it. We have them just like that. Just gonna put it back together, or you can just go to your car right now, plug it in, turn it on, see if they work. If some of them don't work, all you're gonna do is remove it, rotate it 180 degrees, and put it back in, and that should fix the polarity issue on it. So hopefully that helped. Thanks for watching, and again, check the link in the description or comments for the eBay listing for these. Thanks for watching.